This lever is used to control all windshield wiper and washer functions. If your vehicle does not look like this, please see your owner's manual. To set the rain-sensing auto wiper system, if equipped, push the lever down to the auto position. The wiper will sweep once. To increase or decrease the sensitivity of the rain sensor, rotate this ring. Be aware that even if it starts to rain, the wipers may not begin to function if rain is not directly hitting the rain sensor. To turn the system off, push the lever up to this position. Push the lever down to the second stop for continuous low-speed operation, or down to the third stop for continuous high-speed operation. In conditions of mist or light rain, push the lever up to mist and you'll get a one-sweep operation of the wipers. To clean the windshield, pull the lever towards you and hold. Washer fluid will spray and the wipers will automatically sweep several times and stop. To operate your rear windshield wiper at a preset intermittent speed, turn the knob on the end of the lever to this position. For continuous operation, turn the knob to this position. Turn the knob to the off position to turn the rear windshield wiper off. To clean the rear window, push this lever forward. Washer fluid will spray, and the wiper will automatically sweep several times and stop. When the windshield wiper switch is in the auto position, placing the transmission in reverse will operate the rear window wiper. To put the rear wiper in service position, ensure the ignition is off. Quickly push the lever forward 2 times. The rear wiper will take the service position. To return the wiper to its original position, push the lever forward. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.